Pancakes made easy. Today I will show you how to make my gorgeous chocolate pancakes using only 6 ingredients. Okay, so yes, Nana, what's wrong?
I also want to talk.
You also want to talk? Oh, okay. So we need, what is this? Milk. We need milk for this. We need cocoa powder.
And cocoa butter.
Yes. And salt.
Salt.
And what are these?
Egg.
We need 3 eggs. We need self-raising flour.
Flour.
And we need vinegar for that. And I'll show you now how easy it is to make this. Okay. So hold up, who am I? I'm a foodie who loves to eat and cook. I love to cater for my family, my kids, and I just love food, hey, and sharing my recipes with you guys. So you start off with weighing your dry ingredients, your flour and your cocoa powder, and once that is done, then you'll move on to your wet ingredients, which includes your milk and your eggs, etc. So I learned this trick in terms of weighing milk, really using milk upside down like that to pour it out so that it doesn't spill. So I learned it from Mo. Thank you so much, Mo. Shout out to Mo. I weigh out 100 ml first, and then I add the spoon measurements after that to make sure that everything is weighed. The full recipe is in the description box down below if you want to see all the measurements so that you can actually weigh properly. Then once your milk is weighed, you can add your vinegar. It starts to curdle, but I mean, it's like buttermilk, but as long as you mix it quickly back into your flour and your cocoa powder, that's fine. And your salts, as I mentioned earlier. Then you whisk your eggs aside. I used large eggs, so it's very important when you bake to actually use the size of eggs that the recipe calls for. So this one calls for large eggs, otherwise it will affect your end result, and that's not what you want. You do not want pancakes that are too runny. You want them to be perfect for your family. Whisk the eggs with a fork, and then you add them to your dry ingredients with milk and vinegar, and you whisk until it's mixed through. I use a whisk, but you can use a wooden spoon as well, as long as you don't overmix, and until it's this perfect batter. It is absolutely gorgeous. I don't use sugar in my batter. I'll tell you later why. You cover them and put it in the fridge to rest. Once it's ready, you heat your pan, add your oil, swirl your oil that it covers your pan. I like to use a non-stick pan, and then you use a quarter cup if you want large pancakes. Otherwise you can use I use a third cup, not a quarter cup. You can use a smaller cup if you want them to be bigger. Once they start to bubble, then you can actually turn them around so that they cook on the other side. They take about a minute or two to really cook, and then you put them on the plate and you repeat with the rest of the batter. You don't have to add more oil if you don't need to. And that's it. And that's the wrap, everybody. Chocolate pancakes made easy. They literally took me like a few minutes to really fry or bake on the pan. And we're gonna stack them with ice cream. And I mean, at home you can use whatever filling you like for pancakes. As you would have seen, I did not use sugar in these because we'll use them as dessert with lots of ice cream and lots of chocolate. I'll say chocolate or caramel sauce.